Lex, go see if the battery charger has 2 AA's on it. Take them out of one of the Wii remotes. That whole building is gonna go. Look at it, it's down on the 2nd floor. It ate through the ceiling. About 1:45 now. It's only been 15 minutes and this thing is spread through most of 55A. It looks like. It's smoking 55B.